Good morning. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My mom's on a Zoom call upstairs, so it might be a little loud, but my name's Brooke if you guys are new here. Today we're doing a fun vlog. We're gonna do some tie-dyeing. I've helped my mom with like a video thing. We have to take some pictures and stuff, and my dog is here. I know you guys like the dog content. It makes me smile too. We're gonna do some more baking. We have some more bananas that are like really bad, so we're gonna make some more banana bread. That's like the running joke on the internet right now is like, is everyone making banana bread? And it's like, that's the only thing we have to do. I am going to start off the day with my iced coffee. I showed it in the last vlog, but this is what I've been doing. I ordered a pack of these 12 cans from Amazon, and they weren't that expensive, so I do 1 can. And I grab my almond milk. I'm gonna use this Starbucks tumbler, pour that in. Black iced coffee. I don't think there's like literally anything to it, but it's really nice. I like the flavor. And I just do really just like a little bit of the almond milk. I guess that's like a decent amount. I love my coffee like super, I got the ice everywhere, but I love it like super cold. So I put a lot of ice in, and of course we need a top. So yeah, so this is gonna be our morning project because I want it to be done by this evening so I can take some photos in it. I ordered these sweat shirts and sweat pants from Amazon just because I don't want to leave my house. I don't think it's wise to be going to like a Target or a Walmart right now and just like shopping around. I mean, I guess if you're already there for groceries, like that's fine, but I'm trying to not leave my house, so that's why I'm ordering things. These are the Hanes sweatshirts. I'm literally wearing this one right now, but I got it in white. These are the Eco Smart, so they're not like super heavy Hanes sweatshirts, and I got 2 in a size XL, and then I got 2 of these joggers in a size large, and these are not Hanes. They didn't have Hanes joggers in white, so I just got these ones that are from Port & Company, fleece. I don't know, I just got like fleece joggers. I don't really think it depends what brand in my opinion. And then over here are the tie-dye kits. So I found these ones because I really like the colors pink and purple. I might do one pink, I might do one purple. I think that's what I'm leaning towards. And this is the kit that I got that I could add to my Amazon shop. And then I got a refill of the pink one because I wasn't sure how much I would need, and I wanted to just like make sure that I had extra. And then I have rubber bands. I'm honestly trying to look up a tutorial right now on like how I should do this. Do I wet the sweatsuit first? Because I know it's different than bleach dyeing. You guys can go watch my bleach dyeing video too. I'm doing what I did on the last one, but I can show you guys. I'm doing basically a random pattern with the exception of this doesn't have the full swirl, but you guys probably have seen it before. The typical like tie-dye swirl. And the way that you get that, I'm not perfect. You're supposed to use like a tool and like really twist it up, but basically is by like putting something down in the center and twisting. And then you could even see the like twirl like coming in. And then I just used a ton of rubber bands. I've been using a lot of these. So I'll do like 1 to hold this together, basically. The secret, I think, to tie-dyeing cool is a lot of rubber bands. And especially with like sweatshirts and sweatpants, there's just a lot of surface area to cover. It's different than a t-shirt. So I feel like, you know, even like the little sections, like for my sweatpants, I messed up here on the top last time, so I want to make sure that like I'm getting every little area, even like the bottom of the crew neck and stuff like that, like areas that you wouldn't necessarily think of. That's what we're doing. I prepared my dye bottles. They are outside, so I'm just twisting this up and then we'll get to dyeing because I want them to sit for as long as possible. So this is the setup, you guys. We're on the floor. My mom's gonna film. I have to put on my gloves. This came in the tie-dye kit. I know it's probably so bright right now.
There you go, girl.
I ended up using both of the kits, and I'm gonna do 1 set purple and 1 set pink because I don't want to mix the colors. I'm nervous that they're gonna blend into each other and get ugly.
Is this for you and I?
Yes.
Matching?
Well, do you want purple or pink?
Oh, I do love pink. Pink, please.
Okay. So I already scrunchied it up, and I think I just want to do less is more. Oh, it's a dark purple. That's pretty cool though.
Yeah, but I don't know if it will end up being a dark purple. It'll probably be light.
Yeah, we leave it for 6 hours, so.
6 hours?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's a pretty purple though.
I think that you should leave them in place because it looks like they're leaking.
It said to like wrap it almost in a plastic bag. I like this color purple a lot.
I like it a lot.
Really getting on the rocks, so make sure you do it outside. I'm gonna do what my mom said, massage it in kind of. Look at the difference between this one and that.
Yeah.
That absorbed so much better. Oh, I love that color.
Guys, I'm gonna be sporting this tomorrow, FYI. Yeah, because tie-dye always goes through like its cycles.
I feel that way as well. It was kind of like, it had a moment when I was in like end of high school. Oh, I love the pink.
My pleasure.
Now for the top. Look at that. It like doesn't soak in.
Yeah, but that's what, so press it. Like, yeah.
Yeah, it just looks like a different color pink even. I think that the problem with this one is that like that cotton absorbs the tie-dye better, so it looks more like tie-dye versus this looks like it was randomly like dyed.
Yeah, it looks like paint. Like, you know that paint splattered look?
Making the banana bread again.
I had chocolate chips.
She's learning TikTok. This time we added chocolate chips to it. I can link it below, but it's Cooking with Sherry on TikTok, and we loved it so much we had to make it again. Sherry. And now I get to eat the batter. Breakfast. Quarantine breakfast.
I think I want to, you know what I don't have? I don't have a glass Pyrex loaf pan, so we're using the metal one, and it does bake differently.
Oh my God.
Oh. You like an end or you don't like an end?
No, I don't like an end.
Yeah.
I like it mushy.
It's still warm, girl.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Wow, nice job, Mom. I'm going in. The chocolate chips really do elevate it. It's really good. Make it if you can. We're filming a video. It has to be on the iPhone for my mom's work they asked for. And it looks really good.
Hey everyone, it's Adina with David's Cookies, and I'm in my kitchen today. Lots of cookies, as you can imagine, and so easy, so I'm so into this. We made a cake yesterday because it was Cookie's 10-year birthday. Come on, a little action for the camera. Work with me.
So this is exciting. We are now bringing in the tie-dye and we are going to wash. I have the 2 separate bags here. We are a family of 4, but we're down to this much left. That's crazy. Oh wow, and the cookies from before. So these are the sweatpants. So I read online that you're supposed to rinse them with cold water just to see if there's any excess dye, but I'm not even seeing any, which is good.
You have to take off the rubber bands anyway.
Yep, this one looks really good. The sweatpants. This was a fun activity today.
So from a different angle, rinsing, and you could see
now the dye is kind of coming out,
which is good. So they don't want you to put it in the wash and have the dye go all over it, because then it's going to turn the whole thing light pink.
So we determined that this one didn't dye as well because it's 50% cotton, 50% polyester, right?
Right, the top.
The top. So we'll show you guys the results in a minute, but you'll see it just looks different.
Yeah, and if you like that look, then buy a 50-50 blend. If you don't, then buy the cotton blend. And like I said to Brooke, maybe you just won't wear them as a set. You'll wear them as separates because they did take differently, but who cares?
All right, now we're just gonna take off the rubber bands and like rinse the purple one, but even though we still have to wait for the other guy, but yeah, you can just see like, it just looks different. Can you see that on camera a little bit?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. All right, it's super loud, but here are the finished products. I'll show you guys more later. Oh my God, the pink set looks so good. Wow, I'm impressed. Alrighty, I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm sitting on my bed now in this comfy new set that I was sent from the brand Therese. They reached out and they wanted to send me a set, and it's really nice. It's like this thinner material, but it's really soft. What would we call that? Almost like that waffle knit material that's like popular for a second, kind of like a Henley material, but it's really soft. And they sent me this navy color. I'm wearing a size large in the top and the bottom. If you guys are interested, thanks to them. I'm just sitting here on my computer. We ate some dinner, just like leftovers and things like that. We usually do we do some takeout, some leftovers. We're doing like a good mix of both. I think I've talked about that before, but I'm gonna FaceTime some friends and stuff like that because it's a good way to connect to people, and I already have makeup on, so that's always nice. Not that it really matters, but like I got a little ready today, so that's fun. What have you guys been up to? That's really it. Oh, I'll show you guys the finished tie-dye. We're letting it dry. Like they're like hung out air drying, but they look really freaking good. Made my morning iced coffee. I think I showed you guys yesterday. This is like my dad's Tervis Chevy baby. I'm here with my doggy. Hi. This is a better look at that set from yesterday. I can show you guys. You guys, it is really freaking cute. I think it's a little expensive. I went on their website. I'm pretty sure that these are expensive. I also have my blue light glasses that I'm gonna wear today because I haven't been wearing them and I've been basically on my screens all day every day, so we're gonna get better about that. This is the set though. I think it's pretty cute. I like how it's all one color, so it kind of does look like it's like one piece, and they have like these pretty, like these drawstrings, I guess. I don't know, it's freaking comfy, man. I'm gonna get the day started with some things on my computer. I woke up at like 9, it's 10 now. I've been letting myself sleep in a little bit more, which I think is so fine. I just honestly like don't have that much to do in a day. Like I'm doing video stuff and like still running my business, but like it doesn't take, like I don't need to be waking up at 6. Let's get to work. It's Friday, happy Friday. So these are the finished products of the tie-dyes. So you guys can see what I'm saying. Because the pants and the sweatshirt aren't the same material, because I couldn't find a matching set, which I think a lot of you guys are struggling with too. I got a lot of messages like, how do you find a matching set? And that's why I didn't dye evenly. Like you can see that the sweatpant tie-dye is different than the sweatshirt, so like wearing it as a set isn't gonna look as good. The pink one actually does look good, but that's for my mom. I'm gonna keep the purple one. I really like the sweatpants and everything. I'm like happy with how it all turned out. I think that the pink is probably a better color if you guys are like between colors, because it just like dyed better, I think. I don't know. Considering the price, it's fine. Make sure that you're getting it, that it's the same material, I guess. Or if you're just gonna get one piece, it's fine to do one or the other. It was easy, I mean, and it was like rather inexpensive, so it gives you something to do in this time. I just threw it on for good old sake. And yeah, you could just see that it's not the same like tie-dye, so I probably wouldn't wear it as a set. But the sweatpants are super, super comfy, so I feel like I would wear the sweatpants separately, or just the sweatshirt. I wish I got the same material now. I'm kind of pissed at myself because I actually really like the way that both of them look. It's just they don't really go together, but at the same time I'm not leaving my house, so does it really matter? Face masking right now because I just took some pictures for this brand, but I actually, you guys, I love these face masks. They're so good. My mom just helped me take some of these. I think like this will probably be the one that I post. I feel like face mask pictures are just awkward all around, but this one that I use, I love a good like clay face mask. That's like my fave, but this one has spirulina in it, which I've always really liked. Like I know BioClarity is like big on spirulina too. This one's illuminating. This one is the revitalizing algae. I used this one the other day. And then this one's in like fancy packaging. This is just the glacial oceanic clay mask. I don't know, the packaging on this one's a bad boy. This is from the brand Blue, but it's B-L-E-A-U is how it's spelled. It's a Canadian brand, and I really, really like their stuff, you guys. It feels really good. I'm gonna wash this off. There is a live music festival right now. It's over by the time I'm uploading this video, but it's on the YouTube channel Proximity. Like it's all EDM people, but they're all like streaming from their home. It's freaking sick, you guys. I just love a lot of these people, like Louis the Child on Sunday. I'm excited right now. It's Cascade, who's like one of my faves, who I saw at Izu too. Big EDM girl. Not really, but like sometimes I guess. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right Mom?
I got dressed up for the occasion.
Yeah.
Look, rosé to match my...
If you spill it, it doesn't even matter. Oh yeah, they're really long. I like these bottoms a lot actually. And they pockets. These are good bottoms.
I like it baggy. If I ever came up with a sweatshirt like line,
yeah,
I would make long bottoms, but not big in the body.
What, sweatpant or sweatshirt?
Yeah, like sweatpants. Like what if this was like a medium in
sizing?
This,
oh yeah.
but it was still this.
I know,
bottom.
but the problem is that we're tall, so that's why we like it. Her sweatsuit together looks better than mine, I think. Some brie, provolone, crackers, and some wine. All right guys, I'm about to crawl into bed, just showered, put on some lotion. I've been really into spraying my pillows with this pillow mist that I got from CVS. I ordered a few of these little tank tops from Free People because I like them just for like lounging around really. You can wear them like a sports bra or whatever. So that's what I'm wearing with little joggers to go to bed. And I did my nighttime skincare and everything. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this vlog. I know it's random and all over the place like all of them, but please leave your requests for future videos down below if you have anything specific that you've been interested in seeing or even more topical videos. Yeah, love you guys and we'll chat soon. Bye.